He's very proud of his anti-Fracking jacket, as you can see, showing it off to all his mates. Yeah. Even dogs don't want contaminated water. They're doing their bit. Just pull it straight. There you can see. No fracking in Portugal. Eh? Keep the water clean. Eh? What do you reckon, Pooch? Yep. No more to water. No more to fracking, eh? Rough. Well, you all want one now. It's going to be a doggy fashion. Isn't it, eh? Do you want to let your girlfriend try it on then? Okay. Now she's got it now. She loves it. She's off with it. So they all want it now. They're all fighting over it. Who's going to have it? See? Famous scarf. Thank you. What's that? Anti-Fracking scarf. Yeah. Horrible day today, as you can see, so very much she's off there. Something to chew on. She loves it. Yeah, you've lost your scarf there, Minnie, by the look of it. Oh, what a day. Too much for walking today. Never mind. Oh, no. See, she's got her scarf now and she wants it. You're giving it away now, matey. Too late, you've lost it.